going on YouTube? Another break today, a little different than the memorabilia though. Went and upgraded and got a box of the 2011 Topps Platinum, and we're gonna open it up today. First of all, I wanted to give a shout out to Bronx Bomber 1237. Thanks for subscribing, man. Appreciate it. And we're gonna see what we can get out of this stuff today. Haven't really, opened too much of this stuff, but work's been picking up a little bit, and we getting a little bit more work, so I'm making some money. So I had a little bit of money to float around here. Let's see. Dear Lord, there's a lot of packs in this. Alright. Empty. Okay. Don't really want to open the hits first, but I guess we're just going to kind of wing it. Alright, first look at this stuff. That looks nice. A little more color than the 2010 Platinum. We got Rodney White, Felix Jones thick card, though isn't numbered. Colin Kaepernick rookie card, and we have a redemption of Titus Young 2011 auto green refractor jumbo rookie patch card numbered 116. So never had a redemption before. Don't really know how they work, so if someone wants to leave me a little feedback and tell me how it works, there's the redemption. Not really what I wanted, but I don't know, whatever. Matt Castle and checklist. Well, that kind of sucks. I don't really know how long those take or anything about them, so I don't know if you guys can leave me some feedback. Jay Cutler, Michael Vick thick, Daniel Thomas rookie, Ben Roethlisberger, Joseph Adai. Alright, LT, Ray Lewis thick, Arian Foster thick, Cam Newton rookie card. It's nice. That's nice looking. That is not numbered. Good looking card. Alright, keep this going. Miles Austin, Santana Moss, Champ Bailey, thick, Cameron Jordan rookie, Tom Brady. Yeah, I went to one of the local card shops today, and I asked him how much he wanted for a box of the Platinum, and he told me 130. So I told him I'd think about it, and I went over to another card shop, and I asked him, and he only wanted 100. So obviously I wasn't gonna go back and spend another $40 on a box when I can get it for 100. AJ Green rookie, Chris Cooley, Sidney Rice. So I thought that was a much better deal, $100 as opposed to 140. Rashad Mendenhall, Peyton Hillis, green. That is not numbered. Javid Best, Andy Dalton rookie card, Mike Williams. Spending half the video breaking these packs. I don't know why I can't break today. Peyton Hillis again, Beanie Wells, Marquise Colston, Titus Young rookie card, Marquise Colston. Two of them back to back. Man, I definitely like the way these look though. A lot nicer than 2011 Platinum. Andre Johnson, Keelan Wilson, Andre Johnson again. Well, okay. Vincent Brown rookie card. That is on card. That is numbered 662 out of 1,000. It's a nice looking card. I mean, these are just rookies, so they're not, nothing big about it. I mean, if anybody knows anything about him, appreciate it if you leave something. So 2 hits down. Kind of disappointed in that redemption though. I'd rather had the card right in front of me, but I don't know, whatever. Alright, Adrian Peterson, Mike Wallace, Marshawn Lynch. Not numbered, that's got a green, okay. Torrey Smith rookie card, and Noshawn Moreno. Make some more room here, okay. Better hurry this video up. Okay, Zach Miller, Fred Jackson, Wes Welker, Jeremy Curley, rookie card, number 252 out of 499. Sorry if you can't see that, it's kind of hard. And Brian Urlacher. Michael Crabtree, Jason Witten, Sam Bradford thick, Ryan Williams rookie card, Peyton Manning. Alright, Darren McFadden, Greg Jennings, Ruby Red, not numbered, Aaron Rodgers thick, JJ Watt rookie card, and Brandon Pettigrew. Checklist. Alright, Hakeem Nicks, Steve Johnson, Michael Crabtree thick, John Baldwin rookie card, Deshaun Jackson. Aaron Rodgers, Sam Bradford again, Braylon Edwards thick, Ryan Mallett rookie card, Ray Rice. Alright, Vernon Davis, Vincent Jackson, Matt Schaub, Frank Gore. What is this though? Arian Foster. I don't know. Someone could tell me what that is. It's, I don't know. It's got a lot of cuts and misshapes in it. Cool looking, I guess. Kind of like those X-Fractors for the upper deck. Alright, getting down to the last couple here. Antonio Holmes, Rashad Mendenhall, green, Vernon Davis thick, Blaine, Gabbert rookie card, Matt Ryan. Alright, Cedric Benson, Kellen Winslow, Price, Amu Kara, rookie card, Larry Fitz, Brandon Lloyd. Alright, 3 more packs. LaShawn McCoy, Drew Brees, Greg Jennings, thick, Alex Green, rookie card, Des Bryant. Alright, D'Angelo Williams, Braylon Edwards, Michael Williams. Oh, there's our auto. We'll save that. Eli Manning, Brandon Pettigrew, thick, Mark Ingram, Wes Welker, Marshawn Lynch. And last hit, D'Angelo Williams, Braylon Edwards, Michael Williams, Michael Vick, and Prince Akumara, numbered to 1512 out of, what the hell is that? Wow, 2,175. Cool looking auto, I guess. So yeah, that's it. We got the give you the hits again. We got the Prince rookie, that's on card also. Vincent Brown rookie. We got this Jeremy Curley rookie, green, numbered to 499. And we have the redemption, and that is a 2011 top platinum auto refractor jumbo rookie patch card of Titus Young. So yeah, alright guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it.